Hello, good day, good day. These are the birds that are going in the third week. These are the 100 birds. If you are watching Honest Mini Mark channel, baby new plan. As you can see, this is the 100 birds that are in here. Now coming healthy. This is the third week the birds are going in. Wednesday gonna make the third week for these birds. Wednesday gonna be the second week for these birds. Look how the wonderful, remember I told you I have some game birds in between there. What's one is there, all the rest is white birds. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. The birds are coming healthy, the birds are coming well. Healthy birds. Okay, I will stop for you these birds. I am asking you, please watch this video to the end. Please share this video. Let me get new subscribers. Thank you a lot for watching out my video to me lot. And good day, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you are watching this video. Thank you a lot for subscribing. Thank you a lot for keeping connected with Honest Living Mini Mark channel. I will give you an update what I am doing around my surrounding. Okay, you know we come with the penny. That's the bird dog. Okay. Here we have this Jaina. That's clean. This is the back fence I'm going in. This is Bakali. Okay. See the Bakali. I am cleaning behind my mirror. I cannot go over there. If I go over there and pull out them things, there'll be no land over there. It'll be just the water, right? So I left them for behind. They get a little piece of land. See, there's slushing out. We have to de-silk. I have to carry this drainer straight through there and turn it out to the cocoa. You gotta get things done. Okay. This is my channel. This is the work I do every day. I am just giving an update. I will be shooting a lot of different videos today showing you the surrounding. Thank you a lot for watching on this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. This will be it for this morning. I'm just giving you an update. I will be putting up a video next 3 hours. Please be connected with my channel. Thank you a lot for watching this video to the end. Baby new plan. Thank you a lot.